white, gray, blue, pink, yellow, green. Absorbents come in a lot of different colors, and those colors are an important clue that tell you what they'll clean up. But before we get into what all of those colors mean, let's start with the basics.
T-minus 2 minutes.
There are really only 3 types of absorbents. Universal absorbents will pick up whatever they come in contact with. Oil-only absorbents soak in oil and petroleum products but not water. And filtering absorbents grab onto oil and fuel products while allowing clean water to filter through. Knowing what has spilled is important because it'll help you pick the right type of absorbent. Using the wrong type of absorbent can delay your cleanup efforts, it will increase your costs, and it can potentially cause a harmful reaction with the spilled liquid. Here's how color coding will help you choose the right product for the task. If it's solid gray or blue, it's a universal absorbent. Those are good for soaking up maintenance fluids like oils, fuels, solvents, coolants, and any other water-based liquids. They often have cellulose content, so they shouldn't be used with corrosives or oxidizing liquids. Pink, yellow, and green absorbents are also universal, but these colors are intended for spills of corrosives and oxidizers. They're typically made of polypropylene, which is highly chemically resistant, and the bright colors provide a visual clue that something out of the ordinary is going on, and extra caution is warranted. They are the first choice of emergency responders who sometimes need to clean up spills of unknown origins. White absorbents absorb oils and fuels while repelling water. They can be used on land or on water to pick up free floating oils. They shouldn't be used where detergents and surfactants are present because this will allow them to soak in water-based fluids as well as the oil. Filtering absorbents are made from recycled content and they're mostly gray in color. They'll absorb oil and petroleum products and allow clean water to filter through. These absorbents are specifically designed for fuel and oil spills on land. They'll work in both rainy and dry conditions, and they have the added benefit of capturing oil sheens on hard surfaces and puddles. Now that you know what color to choose, be sure to check out our lessons on socks, pads, pillows, and loose absorbents.